Have you ever wondered which is better for your needs, Cursor or Windsurf? Today, we'll dive into a quick comparison of these two tools. Both Cursor and Windsurf help you navigate the digital world more easily. They aim to enhance your online experience, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Cursor. This tool is designed to simplify your browsing. It offers features like customizable shortcuts and a clean interface. It focuses on making tasks quicker and more efficient. Many users appreciate its user friendly design. Now, let's talk about Windsurf. This tool is more about managing your online presence. It helps you organize your tasks and projects. Windsurf offers collaboration features, making it great for teams, users, like how it keeps everything in one place. So, what are the key differences? Cursor is all about speed and efficiency, while Windsurf focuses on organization and teamwork. If you need to get things done quickly, Cursor might be your best bet. But if you work with a group and need to manage projects, Windsurf could be the way to go. When it comes to features, Cursor shines with its shortcuts and clean layout. Windsurf, on the other hand, offers collaboration tools and task management options. Each has its strength. Depending on what you need, pricing can be a factor too. Cursor usually offers a straightforward plan, while Windsurf might have different tiers based on features. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you want speed and simplicity, go for Cursor. But if you need organization and teamwork, choose Windsurf. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.